Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a word of warning for a big scam going on, and it's really major. You see it because a lot of people will have come across. I have come across that through a couple of Facebook friends. It is extremely important, once again, to remember that you never, ever give your Facebook credentials to any website that you click on. The only place you get to do that is going to facebook.com and nowhere else. So, what happens is that a hacked friend will have this pop up, and it's going to tell you, oh, I think you know this person and you should check it out. So, basically, you get this on your Facebook account, on your Facebook wall, because the act account pushes that to all the friends that the person has. And it's going to tell you, I can't believe that he's gone. I'm going to miss him so much. There's another variant that I've seen, which is, I think you know him. We're going to miss him. Of course, people click on it because it goes with the first fear of losing somebody important. But once you click on the post, what it does is it brings you to a web page with blurred videos, and what it will do is say, well, if you want to see, who's gone and who's the person that's, deceased, well, you got to enter your Facebook, email and password, which you should not, because what it does is, of course, hackers take control of your account. They send this to everybody else, and it's an ever-ending thing. Once again, I want to say it really, really well, because too many people think Facebook is flawed in his act. Crazy. Facebook is not flawed or hacked. It's your accounts that are not protected enough. Your passwords are too weak, or you don't use two-factor authentication. It's extremely important to make strong passwords and to really secure your accounts. And for those that say, well, I don't care, I'll just use create another Facebook. I'm sorry, but it is extremely important. It's extremely careless to act like that, because all your friends will then be, possibly receive this, possibly they could be hacked, they can even lose money, and it's all your fault. And that is something to consider. You have your friends there, and they could be at risk because of your careless behavior. It's extremely important to really make sure that you keep your accounts and you keep them safe. So don't fall for this. It is a really big scam. It's been a long time since I've seen one that is so active on Facebook. Once again, with, I can't believe he is gone and so on. Do not click on it. And if you do come across this, advise whoever has this that they need to change their password as fast as possible, because they have been hacked. And once again, they have been hacked. How? Because they clicked on this and entered their emails and passwords. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.